So essentially what we have done is remove some weight on the top, bring the weight down low by adding all of this brass and aluminum. We've also filled the shocks with oil to remove the bounciness. That way the drive would be a lot more controlled. And also we've added better wheels and tires to have a better grip. I'll link everything I used in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you have other ideas, just let me know below.